Nila, in bright suit, stands on boat on ocean. Her gaze pierces the water's surface, reflecting both excitement and a touch of trepidation as she prepares to explore the mysterious depths. Nila plunges into the ocean's embrace, descending into a mesmerizing realm of vibrant colors and exotic marine life, sparking awe and anticipation. Schools of fish dance around Nila as she navigates deeper, her eyes wide with wonder at the stunning underwater spectacle, evoking a sense of childlike amazement. Nila stumbles upon Aqualis, a hidden city shimmering with radiant coral towers and teeming with harmonious sea life, a breathtaking metropolis unveiled. Among the city's unique inhabitants, Nila meets wise turtles and graceful jellyfish, witnessing a symphony of peaceful coexistence. Aqualis architecture merges seamlessly with the ocean's embrace, showcasing a fantastical yet functional design where nature and civilization dance in harmony. The ethereal serenity of Aqualis is brutally disrupted as an ancient, malevolent current awakens, tearing apart the city's foundations. Panic spreads like wildfire among the sea creatures, their bioluminescent signals flashing wildly as they flee the encroaching chaos. Nila's eyes widen in horror as the gravity of the impending catastrophe dawns upon her, a chilling realization of the doom that awaits Aqualis. In the heart of Aqualis, Nila's courage shines as she navigates treacherous underwater tunnels, guided by the wisdom of ancient turtles and the ethereal dance of jellyfish. With unwavering resolve, Nila confronts the lurking dangers of the deep, her bravery and resourcefulness tested at every turn. Driven by a noble quest, Nila seeks the elusive guardian of the deep, her journey a testament to her unwavering spirit and determination. In the guardian's lair, Nila stands before the radiant and enigmatic guardian, her voice resonating with unwavering conviction. Nila's poignant words vividly depict the imminent destruction of Aqualis, evoking a flicker of concern in the guardian's ancient eyes. Appealing to the guardian's sense of duty and compassion, Nila's sincerity pierces through, forging a bond of shared purpose and hope for Aqualis' future. Within the shimmering depths of Aqualis, Nila, the Guardian, orchestrates a symphony of cooperation with her marine allies. Together, they harness their distinctive powers, weaving a delicate dance to redirect the primordial current and mend the fractured harmony of their world. The animation underscores the poignant truth. Unity is the keystone to reclaiming the equilibrium of Aqualis, a testament to their symbiotic bond. Aqualis is saved, and the city thrives once more, bathed in the warm glow of redemption and renewal. Nila ascends to the ocean's surface, her heart brimming with triumph and a profound reverence for the ocean's mysteries. Nila shares her breathtaking underwater journey, igniting a global call to arms for the preservation of our planet's precious oceans.